I love it when I can find quick and effective ways to enhance my skincare routine, and I'm sure you do too. So watch me as I combine our Xtreme Lashes Total Eye Repair Serum along with our brand new Silicone Under Eye Patches to rejuvenate my eyes. This will help me prevent the appearance of fine lines, dark circles, wrinkles, puffiness, or sagging skin. Notice how I apply it all around my eye, both top and bottom eyelids. No rubbing, just tap, tap, tap all around the eye. Now that the serum's applied, I'll use my silicone under eye patches to lock in the anti-aging ingredients and the moisture from the Total Eye Repair Serum. Now my own body temperature will warm up the skin under my eyes, allowing the ingredients to really penetrate into my skin. I'll place the patches under my eyes and gently tap them down. They stay comfortably in place. Then I'll wait at least 15 minutes, or I may leave them on as long as I want. These patches have no ingredients in them at all. They simply serve to push the Total Eye Repair Serum ingredients into my skin instead of evaporating into the air. And voila! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. My eyelids look so healthy and hydrated for the day. So listen, I repeat this application every day because the ingredients in the Total Eye Repair Serum have long-term anti-aging effects.